Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video in which you will learn a lot about Forex trading. I hope you all are well and take care. Let's start the video. Today we are trading Euro versus US dollar. Here we have got a very good opportunity for Trendline breakout, in which we are going to make good profit. Watch the video till the end, you will learn a lot. Guys, we have $3,777 in our account now. Our loss is going on above $100. We have applied trade with proper risk management, in which we know how much we will lose. Most traders incur huge losses by not doing proper risk management, because they do not know how much loss they will incur from where they are trading, due to which traders are not able to become profitable. Now that you have understood the reason for our buying trade, and you can also take advantage of the opportunity you were looking for, first of all, create a downtrend channel. The market has created lower high points on this trend line, due to which the market has moved downwards, taking resistance on the trend line. The market has respected this trend line very well. We will connect the second trend line at the lower low points with the same angle. This trend line is working as support. The market was following this trend channel for a long time, in which we will see perfect lower low lower high points. At this point, the market has given a trendline breakout where we have taken the entry at a perfect place. Here our risk management will be followed very well. Before this downtrend, the market was moving in a strong uptrend. Now again the market will follow the uptrend, because on larger time frame it will appear as a downtrend retracement. At this level the market has created multiple support resistance points, due to which the market has repeatedly reversed to the same level. At these points you can see that the market first created support points and later broke this level with a big candle and made it resistance. This pattern is of downtrend, but the market did not follow this pattern. High probability chance the market will go up from here, as the market has broken the trend line as well as strong support resistance level. If we get double confirmation of the breakout, we will manage this trade better, because the market is respecting our setup. So now we put stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be below the strong support resistance level and inside the trend channel, which is 18 pips. If the market follows the downtrend channel again, our stop loss will be hit, and the target point will be 36 pips above, where the market will make a new higher high of the new uptrend. We will hold the trade till the target level, will not close the trade before that. Guys, we have turned from loss to profit, in which our profit is more than $400. Our profit will further increase, because our analysis is absolutely correct. Guys, the market has started moving upwards. Now we have to be patient here. Only with patience this target will be hit, because the work of strategy is 10% and the remaining 90% is of psychology and discipline. If you practice just one rule again and again, that I will not exit the trade before the stop loss and target are hit, you have crossed the most difficult step of becoming a profitable trader. Such small rules will make you a profitable trader. See you guys a little later. Till then, you can like the video.
To make this our world, gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top spicy. Call it covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an inch, man, I'm making. Oh, I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top and it's fake. I'll try, but you cannot contain it, 'cause I see the things that I want and I take on my goal. Push myself to the brink, no limit. Do what it takes to be free, committed.
Very nice, guys. The market remained sideways for a long time, but we remained patient and the market gave us very good results. Here our analysis was absolutely correct, due to which we were able to achieve our target. Targets are always hit only through patience. The market has been moving upwards with high volume for some time now. Our goal has been accomplished. The market has followed our setup very well. Our target was at this level, which has been hit. The market is going up very fast now. After applying our trade, the market had gone sideways, because of which we had to wait so long. Here the market is going up, creating an uptrend pattern, where we drew a strong support resistance level. The market has created multiple support points at the same level. Our stop loss was below this strong level. Here I am drawing another level. The market reversed repeatedly at this level, because it was a strong level which created multiple support resistance points here. Now the market has broken this level upwards, which allows the market to move upwards. Here we can see a resistance become support pattern. Now we don't care where the market goes next, because our target has been achieved. Guys, our profit is more than $8,400. We have grown this account with proper risk management. Earlier we had $3,777 in this account. Now it has grown to $12,000. Always follow the trading process and be disciplined. You can also become a good trader. If you have learned something from this video, then subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.